In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Uber promo codes vertical bar 2026 vertical bar step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to tap, and how to make the most of the deals that are legitimately available to you. Keep in mind that promotions vary by location, time, and eligibility, so always check the details shown in your app. Start by opening the Uber Eats app. From the home screen, head to Account, then Wallet, and tap Promotions. This is your central hub for viewing active offers and adding new codes. You'll often see categories like ride discounts, first-time user offers, Uber Eats coupons, and referral rewards. If you already have a code, you can paste it here, and if an offer is automatically applied to your account, you'll see it listed with its expiration date and terms. Take a moment to read the fine print. Many promos have a minimum order value, a maximum discount, or apply only to specific cities, merchants, or your first few orders. If you need more details, the official website and in-app help section explain how promos work in your region. Next, use referral codes from friends or trusted creators. When you sign up using a valid referral, you may receive ride credits or order discounts, and the person who shared it can earn rewards too. If you've already created an account, you can still enter a referral or promo in the promotion screen when eligible. Stick to legitimate referrals, avoid buying codes or sharing anything that looks suspicious. After your first successful trip or order, you can share your own referral with others, following the program's rules. Then, follow Uber promotions online. Uber regularly announces limited time deals through email newsletters, official social pages, in-app notifications, and seasonal campaigns tied to holidays or local events. To avoid missing out, enable push notifications in the app's settings and keep an eye on your inbox. Official channels like Uber's Facebook and Instagram highlight timely offers and clarify regional availability. Finally, search partner deals and credit card offers. Many banks, digital wallets, and memberships run Uber promotions. Think credit card cashback or monthly credits, mobile wallet discounts, student perks, and food delivery campaigns. Examples often